If you clicked on this headline and landed here, there's a fair chance that you are handling a remote team. Some team members may live in various parts of the world, or even on different continents. First of all, let us take this moment and realize that we are a part of the first generation of people accustomed to this way of functioning. Honestly, no one has done that before. Coronavirus has fundamentally transformed technology operation, as companies were forced to squeeze months or years of digital transformation into days to keep functioning, let alone competitive. Managing remote teams can be streamlined by creating efficient communication channels with useful communication tools and systems. Pro tips for managing remote teams. Monitor hours worked, performance and other necessary efficiency indicators. Prepare a system with overlapping periods for communicating in multiple time zones. Establish a standard onboarding procedure. Be cautious of chat and email overload. Use visual communication apps. Efficient database and spreadsheet collaboration. Tools for effective remote communication. An important point on tools, just letting the colleagues know that, if you want to use it, it's there, isn't enough. Ensure everyone knows what communication apps and tools they can use in usage mode to streamline their respective operations. Once again, these measures should be recorded and made available to the existing staff and the new remote teams. If all of the tools you're using don't turn out the way you've hoped, restructure your toolbox with efficient communication apps. The world of technology is vast, so you'll hopefully find applications that suit your team's needs. Here are the categories of tools businesses may want to consider for remote teams. Online chat tool. Chats enable remote teams to stay connected and communicate instantaneously or in real time. At GoFounders, communication apps such as Onpassive chat tools help multiple small groups interact and work effectively. Video conferencing tool. A secure video collaboration app helps you run more productive meetings and create better ties with your remote teams. Coordinating video calls at Onpassive Connect Me can help businesses keep the team intact and communicate efficiently with smart functions and easily accessible tools. Project communication apps. A platform where you can monitor your numerous project progress and see how much work is required, lets you foster accountability in your project. For remote teams, a virtual office is a project management tool. It is where they can see what's happening. Automation tool. Even if you don't have technical skills, tools like this allow you to equip multiple communication apps and build an interactive toolbox. You may also build automatic workflows to make it more efficient for your task. To that end, businesses can use Onpassive at their workspace. File sharing and storage. Having a single file access point will save a lot of time for the team members. File storage tools are useful for working with consumers or other businesses. How to enhance remote team communication. 1. Focus on people more than technology. Experts claim that when leading a remote team, 90% of the challenges would be people-related. When they are operating remotely, workers will run into a whole host of problems. Creating a process and building communication apps is essential as soon as the workforce starts working from home. 2. Assert cultural knowledge for remote teams. Businesses should work for a broad group of individuals. Be mindful, however, that these cultural gaps will affect your communication apps. Spending time and getting to know your team members is the perfect way of avoiding cultural differences when you start operating remotely. 3. Enable easy access to information. The advantage of working in an office is you can ask someone about something and get an instant answer. When you are working from home, you don't have that privilege. Establish an information sharing system to help remote teams access the required information or data to keep the workflow streamlined. 4. Establish channels for effective communication. It can feel daunting to connect remotely. You have available tools such as email, project management and team chat, and information exchange. But the question here is which channel to use first. Share a communication plan and communication apps with your remote teams and encourage them to follow it. 5. Document and clarify responsibilities and procedures. Asking for advice or help in doing something is one of the most challenging aspects of remote work. Solve this problem by clearly defining the usual activities and processes and document the method into a standard operating procedure (SOP) for the communication apps used in your company. Also, building templates in your project management platform can help when you start a new task. Any entrepreneur should still be able to rescue the company if a problem occurs. Build new ways and try out productive communication apps to run a company if there are no formal meetings. Visual communication is the perfect response to a problem like that. It will help you keep your company healthy without managing and leading your staff in an office physically. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos. Onpassive Bill Must.